Hello everyone, I am Devshri Puttapathini from BBA Bangalore. Today I would like to introduce our Jignasa Student Study Project 2023-24 from Vivekananda Government Degree College, Vijayanagar, Hyderabad. In our group we are cluster of 6 members. We are doing this project under the supervision of Dr. C.H. Kishore Kumar sir. And our title of the project is Degree Online Services Telangana, Those and its Opportunities and Challenges. First is the introduction to TSOs. Degree Online Services Telangana, it is also known as Those. It was launched in 2016. Before 2016, the admission process was in manual and decentralized mode. Due to this, students faced several problems by this manual system. So that this online system is launched in 2016. It brings all the degree college admissions accessible to students over all the state by Telangana State Council of Higher Education. TOES is a friendly and effortless way to apply undergraduate courses. The TOES online services bring all government colleges, private colleges, autonomous colleges, and aided colleges. The alphabetical acronym of those is Degree Online Services Telangana. It is an online service to get admission into degree colleges. An innovation conceived by the government under the guidelines of RUSA and Telangana State Council of Higher Education and Commission of College Education and Central Goods Governance. And those consist of 6 major universities. They are Usmania University, Kakatiya University, Telangana University, Palamuru University, Mahatma Gandhi University, Satavahana University. And now over to Raman.
Thank you, Devi. My topic is to explain vision and objectives and single platform for undergraduate admissions. Present, I am explaining about vision and objectives. Its main motto is to conduct fair and foolproof admissions, to reduce time, cost and resource to required for admission process, and also it empowers applicants to choose from wide range of universities, colleges and courses, and it also provides data analytics and MIS reports for decision making for department, and it will avoid duplication or fake admissions. Next topic is single platform for undergraduate admissions. It will also avoid duplicates and fake admissions, and it empowers applicants to choose large range of courses, universities and colleges, and it will also give 100% assurance of government degree colleges guidelines, and also conduct fair, proof and transparency admissions, and it will reduce administrative costs and complete automation of online admissions, and it will take decisions making by department through data analytics and MIS reports. Thank you. Over to Sanjay.
Thank you, Ram. My part is to discuss about those admission process, student criteria, enrollment and online admission process. Therefore, this is for registration. First one is mobile student Aadhaar. Mobile student without Aadhaar. Mobile student without Aadhaar, biometric authentication at MiSeva, and last one is TAP photo. So coming to the student enrollment criteria, student must complete his intermediate and student must be a resident of Telangana. There is a special reservation for SC, ST and other OBC people, and student must provide its necessary documents, and student must complete online admission process in a specific time period. And coming to the online admission process, first visit the official website, select your program, and then fill out the application form, upload your required documents, pay the application fee, submit the application, check for updates. If accepted, complete the enrollment process. Over to you.
Opportunities and challenges of the TSOs website and the centralized application process. The TSOs provides a centralized application process for the students for applying multiple colleges and universities and in Telangana to choice of colleges and courses. And students have the flexibility of choice and wide range of colleges and courses based on their academic performance and interest. And the transparency the system provides a transparent information about the colleges and courses and seat available of seats. And merit-based admissions have been based on the 10th and intermediate examinations, and cost effective the application fee of the TSOs is nominal fee, which is having only minimum fee of 100 rupees, and access to the government colleges. TSOs includes the government colleges in its applicants, providing to the students and a lower tuition fee when compared to the private colleges, and with digital access in TSOs ensures that participants that applicants can process their online platforms. Digital access reduces the paperwork and challenges. At the time of applying the admission, students and parents are facing the huge monetary expenditure to travel the urban areas colleges. While urban area colleges online registration centers due to the lack of computer knowledge skills, and after completion of degree course places details of the previous batches, and the result analysis is being not presented in those like NSET portal. after completion of the even student after completion of degree, even students of the progress in the future, the PG and abroad studies in India or in India and abroad studies in one hand, just details of the other hand need to be presented in those further awareness of the future generation and flexibility in application choices. The students can choose their multiple colleges and courses according to their preference and simplified application process. The application process is designed for the only user-friendly application process, and stateless application process is stateless application process is reducing the administrative and burden to the education institutes. Thank you.
Thank you, Vijay. Thank you, Vijay. Now I am going to speak about services provided by those and questionnaire analysis. And now the topic is services provided by those. The those is introduced by Telangana State Council of Higher Education in the 2016 to reduce the offline admissions and increase the online admissions. The major services provided by those are online admissions, providing Aadhaar sharing with mobile number, and those ID generation with DR folio, and online registration by students uploading the documents online, and payment gateway towards the application, etc. Questionnaire analysis. We have conducted a questionnaire regarding the problems faced by the students while admission process. From that, first one is which office is the students approach to solve their problems. Most of the students approach to visa services centers, about 30 to 35%, and remaining students are approached to Telangana State Council of Higher Education as well as helpline centers. Second one, what was the problem faced by the students during online admissions? Around 32% of the students face the registration problem, and 20% of the students face mismatch of Aadhaar details in the certifications. Another question comes to here is how they interacted with the admission staff. Most of the students interacted with the admission staff by visiting their colleges. And last, coming to the how many graduates are getting the jobs suitable to their education qualification. Most of the about 43% of the students not getting the jobs based on their education qualification, and 56% of the students thinks that they are getting the right jobs on the education qualification they have. Thank you. Over to the Amal.
I would like to explain about conclusion of the project. The aim of the education is activity. To make this possible, the student has to enroll in good institutes. Those help the students to enroll in good colleges, good reputed colleges in the state. 21st century demands knowledge and acquired skills to nurture the skills in the youth. Solutions. Many students suffers problem regarding mismanagement in documentation, payment gateway problems, and other documents required in admission process. Another problem is in remote area of Telangana faces more problem regarding admission because of unavailability of helpline centers in nearby colleges. According to survey, we have analyzed some of the problems are the government should encourage girls to take admissions and make research in upcoming university research centers and make challenges in them. Research program make centers to university levels. Every government degree college have to make students to conduct state and national competitive exams. Student has to updated has to practical knowledge and skill enhancement. Every college should update the syllabus according to the current syllabus and market standards. Thank you.